How to withdraw money from Bunq savings account. Follow the instructions. Open the Bunq app on your device and log in securely with your account credentials or biometric authentication. From the home screen, select your savings account to view available balance and withdrawal options clearly. Tap the Transfer or Withdraw button to start moving money from your savings account to a spending account. Choose the destination Bunq account or linked external account where you want the withdrawn money transferred. Enter the exact amount you want to withdraw, making sure it does not exceed your available savings balance. Review your transfer details carefully, including the account numbers and amount to ensure everything is correct. Authorize the withdrawal by confirming with your app's PIN, password, or biometric authentication as prompted. Wait for the transfer to complete. Funds may appear instantly in Bunq accounts or take longer for external ones. Thank you for watching.